Welcome to channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the meal plan for body recomposition. Number 1, day 1, breakfast, scrambled egg with spinach and cheese and avocado slices. Use avocado slices, eggs and cheese in breakfast for day 1. For lunch, use grilled chicken breast, quinoa, and steamed broccoli and carrots. Use for lunch. We are discussing the meal plan for body recomposition. For lunch, chicken breast, then quinoa, and steamed broccoli and carrots are used. In snacks, Greek yogurt with mixed berries are used and handful of almonds are used in snacks. Day 1. And in dinner, used baked salmon, roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. In day 1 dinner, use roasted salmon, grilled salmon, potatoes and asparagus. These are used in day 1. Day 1 breakfast, lunch and snacks and dinner I'll discuss with you. Next is day 2. Breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. In breakfast in day 2, use breakfast, use protein smoothie, whey protein, almond milk, banana, a handful of spinach. Use smoothie of different types. In lunch, use turkey, meat and avocados, lettuce wraps and cherry tomatoes. In snacks, use pineapple chunks and whole grain crackers. Use pineapple chunks and whole grain crackers. And in dinner, in day 2 dinner, use lean beef stir fry with mixed vegetables, peppers and cauliflower rice. Dinner, cauliflower rice, very beneficial. Use for day 2. Next we want day 3. Day 3 breakfast for oatmeal with sliced strawberries and a teaspoon of almond butter. Almond butter is very helpful to body recomposition, muscle build-up. Almond butter, tablespoon of almond butter. In lunch, use tuna salad with mixed green, cherry tomatoes and olives. Tuna salads and quinoa is used in lunch. And in snacks, use apple slices with peanut butter. Apple slices with peanut butter is used in snacks. And in dinner, use grilled shrimps. Grilled shrimps are used in dinner. Shrimps and with a zucchini noodle with pesto. These are 3-day plan for body recomposition. Remember to adjust portion size based on your individual energy, needs and goals. Consistency and balance are key for body or recomposition. Watch my channel Passion and Health.